Hello, in today's video I'm going to be unboxing a Coelogyne species from orchids-forever on eBay. So this is actually a sort of like insurance purchase because I actually have one of these species that I got from Sorella Orchids, and I was kind of doing great with it until it started putting out these new growths that were like obviously over the edge of the pot, and so I tried to like set it up to like walk into another pot, but when I did that I had to switch it into a different tray like underneath the pot to like lift it up and make sure that the new growths were like at a position to actually make it into the pot. And so it apparently was receiving, well, not apparently, it was receiving less water than usual. So it kind of took a downturn, and the roots on the new growths, they died. So I'm hoping that it'll come back. It seems like a fairly vigorous species, but I saw this one on eBay the other day, and it seems in a little bit better shape than the one I have, so that's why I decided to pick it up. Okay, so I took most of the packing peanuts out, so let's get into this orchid. Some of you may have already recognized this from the photo of my old orchid, or the other orchid that I have, as I was kind of explaining what happened to it. But if you didn't know which one it was, let me get you the... Girl, we gotta wrap this up, my battery's about to die. So, this is Coelogyne richesonii. And it looks very healthy. She's a thick girl. And I love that it's in moss because the other Coelogyne richesonii that I have is in bark. And while that's great for a greenhouse, at my house, it doesn't really hold as much water as I want it to, and I haven't repotted it, so I'm kind of just running on E with that one. But this one's in moss, which is great. It's got some roots in there. I'm not really worried about the amount of roots that it has, even though I can't really see that much, because it is such a vigorous orchid and easy to grow, but it's not forgiving of mistakes, even though it is kind of easy to grow. Oh, if this video has been out of focus, I'm gonna scream. But yeah, this is my Coelogyne richesonii from orchids-forever on eBay. Doesn't seem to have any new growths at the moment, but I'm not super worried about that because I know it's gonna put some out soon. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.